This is the Hiwings H1200. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to be reviewing our first wireless gaming keyboard. We have not reviewed a wireless gaming keyboard on this channel before, so I'm pretty excited about that. The reason why I'm excited is because all of my connections to my PC are currently wireless. The only connection that is not wireless yet is my keyboard. This is the Hiwings Gaming Keyboard. It is the H1200 edition. It's a 61% keyboard, black edition, wireless, Bluetooth 5.0 connection, has built-in RGB, connects via USB-C. This keyboard sells around $40–50. I'll leave that link below in the description if you guys want to check it out. But without further ado, let's get into this video, unbox this keyboard, and show it to you guys. Before we get into it, hit that like button. It helps me a lot, it helps this video a lot, and why not? Thanks. Let's go. We just unboxed the Hiwings H1200. This keyboard is pretty hefty, I'm gonna say. It's pretty heavy, but it looks really nice. It looks like it's fingerprint resistant. The back has this texture, like a stripe texture on it. It's kind of really nice touch. It makes it more grippy on the ground, and then has four whatever rubbery things that grip to your desk pretty well. The on and off switch is right here, which is very odd, to be honest. I didn't expect it to be in the back. The one thing that I kind of like and I don't like, it's kind of bittersweet, is the fact that you guys can see on the keyboard it shows you like the F9 buttons, the function buttons, the arrow button. Most keyboards have those icons actually on the keys, not on the under. So this is kind of cool, but at the same time they printed it in orange, which is kind of like blech. Overall, the keyboard itself looks really good. Here's a quick sound test for you guys. Let's go. And the keyboard is right now connected to the PC via Bluetooth. To switch between lights, there's either switching between the light mode and the light like brightness and stuff like that. So just FN and enter keys, you can go between different modes like waves or just solid, and then you can change the color by clicking the key above it, which is the dash or slash. As you guys can see, there's a ton of RGB modes on this keyboard. I'm gonna say that the colors are not super accurate. Like, I think this is supposed to be red, and in my eyes it looks very pinky. Not pinky, pink. So yeah, I mean, I guess maybe I'm wrong, but the RGB is pretty bright. It's not extremely bright, so if you don't like really bright RGB, this is pretty good. Overall, the keyboard looks really good, and it types really well. The space bar is super solid. All the bigger keys are very solid. They sound really good. Yes, it is a blue switch, so if you do not like blue switch, go grab the brown edition or the red edition. But it is hot swappable. Let's go ahead and take the keys out and take a couple of the switches out. It's really nice that they include this key puller. I'm really surprised they didn't give me any extra switches, and I'm really surprised they didn't give me a switch puller, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna get mine and take a couple of switches out so we can check them out. So after a little bit of further research, I realized that this keyboard is actually not hot swappable, so you cannot actually switch the switches, which is kind of sad. You can switch the keys, but yeah, at a price point of $50, I really did expect the switches to be hot swappable, so that's kind of let down. But other than that, this keyboard actually does look really good, sounds really good, and it's Bluetooth, which is something that I prefer over wired. The Hiwings H1200 is a good keyboard, but I do really wish it was hot swappable. This keyboard sometimes goes on sale for $30–40, so that's a really good price point for a 61% keyboard that is connected via Bluetooth. Thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate it if you made it this far. If you guys have any questions about the Hiwings, I just hit something. If you guys have any question about the Hiwings H1200, let me know down below in the comments. I'll respond to all of them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.